Currently we have the doors unlocked, our windows closed. We have presence detected, which is me. We have how bright it is, the temperature, humidity, and we have a water leak.
Smart homes are supposed to make life simpler. Today I'm setting up a small system in my workshop to see if that's actually true.
Camera motion, window, and lock.
For years, the hardest part of smart home tech hasn't been the devices themselves. It's getting everything to work together smoothly.
Hello, hello. We have in red here now, water leaked.
New standards like Matter and Thread are trying to change that by making setup faster and systems more connected, without so much friction between apps and ecosystems.
This device has 4 cards.
So in this video I'm building out a small workshop setup using Aqara devices, a smart lock, a camera hub, and several sensors. And walking through how quickly it all comes together, how well it actually works, and whether this is finally becoming something practical instead of complicated.
We've got a few different things here to test out. I think I'm going to be installing this one. We also have camera and some sensors. Easy setup. We like that. I like real keys. Very sleek. Wow. A USB-C charger. So let me go plug that in right off the bat.
Also, my door is rather prepped for a new lock because I took off my old lock a little while ago because I was repainting it. See how bright and shiny red it is after looking so horrible for some time. Makes things easier for us, right?
Okay, I guess depends on what fits. Okay, we're gonna have the top.
Okay, this comes with the little screws.
I'm trying to figure out how to put this on, because apparently if you have the 1.5 inch, we need to turn this around. Obviously this one is going on the inside, so we can lock on the inside. And then we have this rather sleek setup, which has, ooh, look at this. You can either do fingerprint or it opens for a key. Maybe a number pad will appear later on. I guess we will find out. Thing through there. Okay, it's through there. Let's try the shorter ones first. I feel like we're moving right along here. It slips up here. Through the door here we have 2 pieces coming in and we need to attach them to this on the inside. Working. And this is looking nice and sleek here. So I've been wanting to get a new lock anyway since I painted the door and took off the old one. So this is perfect. So how long did this take? Maybe 30 minutes? Good morning, next day. The battery is charged. Okay, now first of all I'm going to scan this and get the app on my phone. This is a Matter over Thread system, which means that I need a hub in order to connect the lock properly. And I do have a camera hub here. So let's do that. Let's connect this. Under here. Got a light. It says ready to connect. Okay, add a pairing code, and we have another QR code. Camera, very easy to set up. Immediately, I see myself. Hello, hello. So we have it right here. It's kind of cool. So I would assume that we have now installed our hub and we should be able to connect the lock as well. Add accessory. Hold to lock.
Close the door without locking. Capturing new fingerprint. Continue capturing more added successfully.
Index finger. Calibration successful. Connect to Aqara hub. Okay, updated. Locked. And we get to see the camera at the same time. Let's create more.
Please capturing new fingerprint. Continue capturing. Added successfully.
Okay, and I want to unlock now, so... That was pretty cool. I can also do this remotely. So I can hit hold to lock. And now it's locked. Hold to unlock. Nice. Okay, I got 3 little sensors here. Let's check these out. So first of all, we got a door and window sensor. Look how cute. Oh, wow. Plasticky. Be able to handle water. Presence multi-sensor. Look at this. Oh, there was a magnet. So I have the door lock set up. I have the camera set up. I'm just looking at some of these sensors here. I am getting notifications on my phone about, that there's movement in the room every so often. In order to connect all of these things, the lock, the sensors, we need a hub. And they make different kinds of hubs. This security camera that I'm using right now is a hub. So we can connect everything through there. I feel a little bit like I'm creating like a lair, making sure nobody enters my shop. So basically we got the window or door sensor. You can put these no matter where you want. So this is the magnet and this is the sensor. They suggest you put the sensor on the movable surface, so the window, this part, and then the other part, I guess, next to it. And we're gonna go through the app to install this. Of course, and as soon as I open this, I see myself. I see the video of myself, person detected. It's a clear, good video too. It's nice, good picture. Add accessory, door and window sensor.
Please add accessory.
Now it's blinking. It failed, but it says that I need to be really close to the hub, so maybe that was the issue. So here's the hub. Until it just blinks 3 times. I connected the sensor to the hub. The key was to sit really close to it. Well, it's just measuring the distance between this and this, and that's what it's doing right now. So I guess it says that it's opened. You can see there's a little mark here, and there's also a little mark here. So we're gonna try to align the two. Here. Okay, so now on my board here, I now have the oh cool, it says door and window sensor closed. Now let's open it, let's see what it says. Refresh it. Opened! Okay, that's actually kind of neat. So add an overview, you can just kind of see everything that's going on. Okay, registering device. Motion sensor, add a card. This device has 4 cards. Just connected the motion sensor, and on here now I can basically see presence detected for less than 1 minute. Let's put it up here. Camera, motion, window, and lock. Pretty quick. We have 1 sensor left to do, and that is a water sensor. Let's see how that works. So this is so we have a coin cell in here where you can replace it easily. Okay, needs to be well tightened. I'm just looking now because I have the motion sensor set up, and it's also giving us a temperature and a luminance and humidity. So that little guy has all of that. So it says 129 lux on the illuminance, 73 degrees on the temperature, and 67% humidity. Oh, that's really cool actually. So there's a lot more in that one than just the motion sensor.
Please add accessory.
We have connected the water leak sensor, and now here on my board here I have a lot of stuff now. Okay, so water leak, let's go there. Immersion state, normal. We have in red here now, water leaked. Water leak detected. Water has been leaked for 0 minutes and 43 seconds. Currently we have the doors unlocked, our windows closed. We have presence detected, which is me. We have how bright it is, the temperature, humidity, and we have a water leak. Now you can also attach this. So if you wanted to put it on your basement floor, for example, or somewhere, you could actually connect it so it doesn't float around, so it stays in place. Obviously, I'm just kind of testing this in my little shop here, and as your own secret cave, it's kind of cool. You have all of these sensors and everything, but I mean, just in a realistic sense, like if you have a house or an apartment and you want to just know when you're not there, if there is a presence detected, you want to check your humidity, temperature, illumination level, any windows open, do you have a water leak in your basement, like all of that in just like one overview of your phone. And then when you're not home, then somebody unlock the door, check on the security camera. It is amazing, right? I love how easy it is to connect all of these small sensors together using the app, and how it is automatically like right in front of you, like as an overview. The app is sending you notifications as to what's going on. Let's open the window. Let's get some fresh air in here. And now it says that, my door and window sensor is open. And then, of course, there are a lot of other sensors you can get to add on to if you want to build your whole little, smart home. And connect everything together. You can have multiple sensors, multiple door and window sensors, movement sensors. I mean, kind of cool.
The U400 door lock also supports UWB unlocking, which can automatically unlock the door as you approach using certain Apple devices. However, since I'm not part of the Apple ecosystem, I wasn't able to test that feature right now. However, Samsung will unlock UWB support soon. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and there'll be links to this in the description.